Want stronger abs in just 7 days? I'm not talking about a six-pack. I'm talking about a core that actually feels strong and functional. And the best part? These exercises are so beginner-friendly, anyone can do them. Stick around because this 7-day plan is simpler than you think. Real quick, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss my beginner-friendly workout tips. Your future abs will thank you for hitting that button. Look, building strong abs doesn't require fancy equipment or hours at the gym. You just need the right exercises done consistently for 7 days. I'm giving you a simple daily routine that takes less than 10 minutes and actually works. No crazy moves, no impossible exercises, just results. Let's break it down. Exercise number 1, dead bugs. This sounds weird, but it's one of the best beginner ab exercises because it teaches your core to stay stable while your arms and legs move. Lie on your back, lift your arms straight up toward the ceiling, and bend your knees at 90 degrees with your shins parallel to the floor. Now slowly lower your right arm overhead while straightening your left leg, hovering it just above the ground. Return to start, then switch sides. Do 10 reps per side, nice and controlled. Focus on keeping your lower back pressed to the floor the entire time. If that's too hard, just do the arm movement without the legs at first. Day 1 through 7, start with this exercise every single day. Exercise number 2, plank holds. This is the king of core exercises, and for good reason. It builds strength in your entire midsection without any movement at all. Get on your forearms and toes, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, don't let your hips sag or stick up, squeeze your glutes, brace your core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach, and breathe. Start with 20 seconds if you're a complete beginner. Each day, try to add 5 more seconds. By day 7, you should be hitting 45 to 60 seconds. If you can't do a full plank yet, drop to your knees. There's zero shame in that. Exercise number 3, bicycle crunches. This targets your entire ab region and gets your heart rate up a bit. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, lift your shoulders off the ground. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg, then switch sides in a pedaling motion. The key is rotating your torso, not just moving your elbows. Do 15 to 20 total reps moving at a controlled pace. Don't rush through these. You should feel your abs working the whole time. Days 1 through 7, this is your third exercise in the routine. Pause for 1 second. If this routine is helping you, hit that like button. It helps more beginners find this video. Exercise number 4, bird dogs. Another funny name, but this exercise is gold for building core stability and balance. Start on your hands and knees, extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back at the same time. Hold for 2 seconds, feeling your core working to keep you balanced. Return to start and switch sides. Do 10 reps per side, focusing on staying stable and not wobbling. Your hips shouldn't rotate. Everything stays square to the ground. This builds the kind of core strength that actually helps you in real life, not just in the gym. Exercise number 5, reverse crunches. This targets your lower abs, which is a lot of where people feel weakest. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your knees toward your chest, curling your hips off the ground slightly. Lower back down with control. Don't just drop your legs. Start with 10 to 12 reps. The movement is small, but you should feel it in your lower abs. By day 7, try to work up to 15 reps. Keep the movement controlled and deliberate. Here's your 7-day plan. Do all 5 exercises back to back every single day for 7 days. Dead bugs, plank holds, bicycle crunches, bird dogs, and reverse crunches. That's it. The whole routine takes less than 10 minutes. Each day, try to do just a little bit more. 1 more second on the plank, 1 more rep on the crunches. Small progress every day adds up to real strength by day 7. There you have it. 5 exercises that'll give you stronger abs in 7 days. It's beginner-friendly, takes under 10 minutes, and actually works if you stay consistent. Now, here's what I need from you. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me if you're taking this 7-day challenge. Tag me when you finish all 7 days. Share this with a friend who wants to build core strength. And check out my video on beginner mistakes that slow down your progress. It's right up there in the corner. Remember, 7 days of consistency beats 7 months of excuses. Let's go, and I'll see you in the next one.